It is National Organization Day, so we have lifestyle expert Christina Daves back with us, and you have plenty of goodies here that's going to help us get all organized. Yeah. And you can get some of this from the dollar stores.
You can get all of this
all
from
of it? Oh my gosh,
store.
Stephen Braddock has to join me on this segment. He loves a good Dollar Tree. We'll have that and so much more on the other side of the break.
All right, welcome back. And you know, it is truly a beautiful Friday, especially when we have Christina Daves in the building.
Yes.
It's good to see you as always. You just come with all the great hacks for us to get our lives organized. I know many of us, you know, the key to staying clean is to be organized.
Yes.
Well, it's good to have you, and I know you got a lot of items for us to go through, so we're going to try to get through all of it so we can get our lives together for the spring.
On this National Organization Day, so if you needed some encouragement, some motivation, there you have it.
And we are organizing on a budget. This is all under $20.
Under $20, and you know how that sounds to me.
I know. So did you know that your knife block is the dirtiest thing in your kitchen? Because you can't clean inside of these.
Get out of here.
Yes. So how about this? You get a plastic, beautiful vase. He loves this.
I love this idea.
You put rice in it, and look, here's your new knife block, and it keeps it fresh and clean.
Yes.
And it looks just as nice.
Right.
From
It's really cute. Yeah.
And it keeps everything dry too, because rice just always absorbs all that moisture.
Exactly.
In the
So
air.
you don't get all the gunk in here and
rust
it's clean.
on your knives.
And you also want to make sure you clean the knives first if you can, to avoid it in the first place. I'm just going to pass that along.
Right. Don't just cut
all
up
the barbecue sauce and everything else on it. So yes, Christy.
Rice.
This is one of my favorite things. We're packing up our boots. And
My mom's
you
gonna
probably
love
have,
this.
how many boots do you have like this?
Oh, gosh.
You take a noodle and you just cut it and you put it in, and that way you can stack your boots up.
This is insane. I just think this is cool.
Dollar.
Dollar.
$2.
Okay, or $2. I love this. This is my favorite thing I brought today. So these are to decorate in your bathroom, to put, you know, your Q-tips or cotton balls. Actually, it's $1.25 now. And
you got fancy with it.
I know. And you got the decorative tops, and I had my husband just drill a hole in.
And you know, I'm handy.
Not
so
DIY.
I got you.
DIY.
I
How
love
about
it. And I
that?
think a lot of times people don't think about dollar stores to get little whatnots and to make things
Who doesn't?
easier.
And college kids, things like that, they're going to trash it anyway.
Yes.
So right here, a couple dollars.
Good to go.
Well, you may be one that doesn't think about the dollar store. That is where I live.
This is all he thinks about.
I live, and you know that to all the folks at home.
He lives there.
Let's talk about this. So I know a lot of women, you know, this is always a hassle, you know, in the bathroom, and it causes so much of a mess and just hard to organize. You can't just throw them in the drawer. This may be a better alternative.
Right. It's just a pencil holder for your makeup brushes.
Oh, what?
Yeah, just a pencil holder.
Would you do that?
Yeah, I've done that, and I've also done, you know how you have like the container and you can put little balls in there and just stick them in there? I've done that straight up too, but this is a much cleaner option.
Right, you just stick it right in the corner.
And you have your dividers.
How often are you supposed to clean those?
I do mine every 3 months.
Okay.
I don't know if
the brushes?
that's good enough. Yeah. But I mean, clean, but every week I'll definitely clean it with some dish detergent too. You don't have to buy the expensive stuff.
Okay, this is great. Do any of you have your spices in a drawer?
You know what? I have my spices in the cabinetry.
cabinet.
Yes.
A lot of people put them in drawers, though. So these are picture holders that you just slide in.
Wow!
Hey.
Bravo, Christina.
Thank
this is
you.
brilliant.
Is this great?
You just helped a lot of people.
Right? I know.
Yeah, and that way if they're in the drawer, they're not all over the place. They're still
rolling
organized.
all around.
I really like that one.
Big ones, small, whatever you have.
Okay, let's get these last couple in here.
Magazine bin. I don't know about you guys. My storage bags, I stack them in my pantry. I go to get one, they all come down.
I'm the same way, and I didn't realize how to organize those. Instead, because you can get the organizers that are bamboo or whatever, and they cost you about $20-30. That's too expensive for me.
Yeah, there you go.
Dollar Tree.
We're going shopping. We're going shopping.
Thank you.
Lastly, but not least,
this is a little pegboard that you can do for kids' crafts. So you can put it in a drawer. You can hang it on their wall in the room. You can just use the command strips. But
wait, what?
how about that?
So these hooks just come from
They come. Yeah. Do I have one right here? So here, they just come right in.
And that's from the dollar store as well.
Dollar store, $8 store. And lastly, if you need space for your fruit, this is an outdoor hanging basket.
Oh, wow.
That's cute.
Isn't this cute?
You got creative. Now, this
and
is
then
cool.
you can just hang, and it just hangs.
And I'll just be the ceiling for a second.
There you go.
And the Statue of Liberty. The Statue of Liberty of fruit. There I am.
love it.
Beautiful.
My bananas are getting a little ripe.
They are getting ripe.
Thank you so much for these recommendations. Briefly, your podcast as well, that people can go and check you out on a regular basis.
Living Ageless and Bold. Super excited for women over 50.
Okay, I'm going to take this one home.
Okay.
Yeah.
This is perfect.
And the rice. I'll get the rice.
You got the rice.
Christina, thank you.